I have the rich guy pool now.
Saltwater.
No, it's the next one.
Oh, there's the next one.
Oxygenated pool.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's fancy.
Oh,
and they
how'd you
go,
get
oh,
that?
you have chlorine? Oh, I have the oxygenated pool. I'm like, all right, give me his number.
What you are hearing are people talk about oxygenated pool systems, which is a method of water sanitation used in pools. Instead of using chemicals like chlorine to kill bacteria, oxygenated systems use oxygen molecules called nanobubbles to break down and remove harmful substances from the water. These nanobubbles are 0.2 microns in size, which is about 2,500 times smaller than a single grain of salt. They envelop and oxidize microorganisms in the pool. Because of the reduced reliance on chlorine, this process leads to many benefits when compared to chlorine sanitation, such as reduced chemical use, improved water quality, and it's environmentally friendly and provides long-term cost savings. Beyond just maintaining clean water, oxygenated pool systems can offer several health benefits for swimmers.
The oxygenated water, the biggest benefit I've had has been for my fibromyalgia and my endometriosis and my migraines. It has changed my life 100%, and I am so grateful for it.
At the end of the day, maintaining a pool that's clean, safe, and enjoyable swimming is what matters most. Oxygenated pool systems offer a modern, environmentally friendly alternative to traditional methods.